What's up, guys? Scardog here, back for another video. Today I got an early unboxing for you guys. The Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Steelbook. This is exclusive to Best Buy. This includes the 4K, 3D, and Blu-ray disc. So without further ado, let's get this going. Brace yourself and prepare to experience this heart-stopping, eye-popping 4K Ultra HD presentation of the most thrilling adventure in the universe. Set to the all-new sonic backdrop of awesome mixtape number 2, Marvel Studios' Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 amps up the action beyond the outer reaches of the cosmos. Now the Guardians must fight to keep their newfound family together as they battle all-powerful enemies and unravel the mind-blowing mystery of Peter Quill's true parentage. So, there's what I just read. There's what comes in the box. So, alright. So there's the front of the steelbook, and there's the back. There's the digital code. There's the Blu-ray disc. There's the 4K. There's the 3D. And there's the inside of the steelbook. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick unboxing of the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Steelbook. So, thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.